following program contains dangerous stunts performed by professionals. Do not attempt to recreate or imitate any action seen in this program.
Is this going to be for YouTube?
Yeah. You just never know whether we get it or not, you know? Oh, I see it.
Well, all I know is my face better be cropped it out.
I'm exposing you, Dylan.
Boy, I'll expose you. Keep it up.
You've exposed me way too many times.
What are you talking about? I didn't even do nothing.
Way too many times.
Let's get a razor while we're out here. You know?
Sure. All right, ladies and gentlemen. We're looking at a few options here. Not a whole lot going on, but we got a red S1 case. That's about it. Or we might consider on this Gixxer over here. Get on my frame, bro. I'm cropping your face out. I'm getting your knees.
Getting my knees?
Might get this little Gixxer here, but I'm not digging the wheels though. That reminds me a lot of Reckless. I don't like that. I don't like that. Let me get that big old booster there. Walk into my frame again, brother.
Bro, fuck your frame.
Bro.
I'm the only reason you get views to begin with.
Or we could get the 40th anniversary ZX-10R.
Yeah.
Nah, I really don't like it, bro. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about this painted frame. I don't like that. Bro, they even painted the swing arm. That's crazy. Green.
Maui is the shittiest brand known to man.
Damn. You heard it here. You heard it here first. Damn. But I guess we're gonna have to walk to the back and see what they have in the bag. They said they had special things back there, so we'll try to see what they have. Cause so far I might just walk out with something like this.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, we're about to pull the truck and trailer around back. Got this bad boy at Cycle Center Denton. Sales guy was awesome. He actually worked with me all the way from home. I had just pulled up and signed a couple things. Everything was already kind of talked over on the phone. So we're gonna pull the truck around back, load up the new toy, and that's it, guys. I wanna introduce you guys to the new family member. Ooh, she is gorgeous, guys. Let's keep an eye on her. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what it's about. It's not about me today. It's about this beautiful 2024 M1000RR. Honestly, my dream bike at the moment. And honestly, I have no words to describe what I feel on it. I still don't feel like I own the bike. But thanks to Ben back here behind the camera, we made this dream come true, basically. So this is my all new 2024 M1000RR, and this is the review video that you guys are watching it. By the time you're watching this video, I'm in Atlanta. You know, we have an event going on, but I've been having the bike for a few days now. I'm still putting miles in. It's completely stock. There's absolutely not an aftermarket part on the bike yet. But we will get we'll get right to it. Obviously, start off with a good exhaust, good tune, couple of small accents on the bike, because this bike actually doesn't need a whole lot, surprisingly. But yeah, I've been vlogging. The video after this video will be the first 100 miles on this bike and my full honest review on how the bike feels so far within 100 miles. I do have a 600-mile break-in point that I have to do on it. After that is go time, baby. You know, so it's gonna be nothing but good things with this bike. So far, still's got the ugly rear tail lights, signals, whatever you want to call it. That will have to come off completely. We need better tires. I'm really thinking of swapping my S1K carbon wheels to this bike. Let me know in the comments if you guys think that's a good idea. But I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the bike. Thank you guys so much for supporting, because if it wasn't for you guys, none of this would happen. I wouldn't do any of this stuff. So here's some B-rolls on this thing.
taught me nice. Ain't about winning, don't talk to me twice. I don't play dice, I make a move on the board, it's precise. The fuck is the price? I took a fiddle and dipped it in ice. I took a call and now I'm on a flight. Crew heading east, got a booking tonight. First stop is Atlanta, I got breakfast plans at the Waffle House. Next up is Miami, I'm hitting South Beach, fuck we talking about. Show out, we in Brooklyn, I'm on Flatbush and we rocking out. Then a red eye to Los Angeles, got a rich bitch waiting on the couch. Life's gonna try to hold you back. They gon' tell you that you still got time. Any minute this could all fade to black. That's why we run it up. I want more, it's not enough. I ain't come for the runner up. I go win, I'ma win a cup. I go win, I'ma fuck it up. Ain't gon' lose, I'ma level up. I've been down, but I got tough. Hey, run it up, run it up, run it up.
Run it up, run it back, run it up, run it back. Run it man, we was on 100 since run that. Tell me where the lunch at, I ain't eat lunch yet. Now you got a front that, let me get a front toe. Let me get a blunt wrap, we was on a one pack. Let me get a bust down, let me get an ace though. Now I feel jacked in, I was on a payroll, this is all back then. Oh my, I'ma need a whole pot. Sitting on a big yacht, looking at a coastline. Lo-fi, bumping on 4-5s. Never let a track sit, please play the whole side. Whole time co-stars, looking for a cosign. They ain't even close though, put them on a clothesline. Yeah, Stu kid, made it to the roof kid. So the roof going now, listen to the proof kid, yeah.
Life's gonna try to hold you back. They gon' tell you that you still got time. Any minute this could all fade to black. That's why we run it up. I want more, it's not enough. I ain't come for the runner up. I go win, I'ma win a cup. I go win, I'ma fuck it up. Ain't gon' lose, I'ma level up. I've been down, but I got tough. Hey, run it up, run it up, run it up.
All right, guys, there she is. They just kicked her outside. They just don't want her in there no more. All right, boys, we're all loaded up. Kenneth here at, what's it called? Cycle Center of Denton. Huge shout out to him, man. He made everything so easy. If you guys need a bike or possibly an M1000, you gotta come check him out here. He even helped me load it up. You know, he was pushing the bike in there. But Kenneth, I appreciate you, man. Thanks so much, brother. It was a pleasure doing business with you, bro, and I'll be seeing you soon, man. Thank you. All right, boys, let's get on the road and let's head back home and put this baby in the garage, and that's it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's been about 2 days that I've owned this bike, and we already have Andrew in here. I told him to pull up. He was available, open spaces in his busy agenda, but you know, he's out here. He's done the old S1K previously. And then I just told him, like, hey brother, I need to get this thing coated. I still have yet to ride this bike. I haven't ridden it. Obviously, you know, you saw in the previous thing, I just bought this thing, but it has been 2 days. I still haven't ridden it, and I will be making a first 100-mile review video on this bike, which will be coming up next here shortly. But the bike still has 2 miles on the dash. Not having ridden it in a single day or a single time on it. So before that, we gotta make sure Andrew gets this thing fully coated with ceramic coat. Still got 2 miles there, so y'all don't think I'm lying, but she's still a beauty. She's still basically brand new. Andrew's gonna take care of it. And I did reach out to a couple of shops, seeing if I can get the front F PPF'd. It's been a hard time because everybody tells me they don't have the template for this bike. So we have to kind of look at our options there, because I'm probably going to have to get the front nose custom PPF, custom cut. And a lot of shops are scared to, I guess, damage the carbon or something. I don't know. But we'll have to see. I'm going to let Andrew get to it, and then I'll do a quick video of how it looks afterwards. It's still going to look shiny, obviously, but maybe a little bit more shiny. I don't know. We'll see. This bike, like y'all said, like I said earlier in the video, it has no carbon wheels. It's just got the M wheels on it. But that kind of sucks. I wonder if my carbon wheels fit on this one. I don't mind swapping. So we'll see. We'll let Andrew get to it, and we'll see. He's charging me about $1,000 for this. But I think we get a little discount code at the end. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna let him get to it and go from there. And then here's Old Reliable over here. Haven't ridden her in a good minute. Missing a bolt here. Got to order that. And yeah, she's still there. And then we got a few bikes in the garage from the homies, but it's a full house in here.